Now recording, and we are here in Ackworth, Georgia at Hub Bob Pike Park, whatever. What's the name of this place?
Let's try.
Hub.
We are in Woodstock, Georgia, at
Woodstock.
Hobgood Park.
I thought we were in Ackworth, Georgia.
That's right across the street.
Oh, okay. Well, they look very clever.
They are very close.
Close and clever. They're both very clever.
There had to be a line.
That's right. Well, I'm Terry Brock, and this is Gina Carr, and we are here to help you grow your business and achieve the freedom we want. And part of that is getting out and exercising. Part of it is getting out and relaxing, being with family, and that's what we're doing in the midst of work. So yes, this is still deductible. We're doing it all together, all rolled into one. So Gina, tell us a little bit about where we are here in not in Ackworth, but in Woodstock, right?
Yes. This is Woodstock, Georgia, and it's northwest of Atlanta by about 45 minutes, or gosh, about 2-hour driving now. But if there's no traffic, it'd be about 50 minutes from downtown Atlanta. It's where I lived for many years. I started several businesses here. It's right at the edge of and part of Town Lake, which is a master plan community, which I really loved. I started the Town Laker here, and I started a Century 21 here, and have a ton of friends from this area. And actually, in this particular park, for many years, we hosted and sponsored we created the whole thing. It was called the Cherokee Jubilee, and it was a lot of fun, a big parade and festival.
Well, that's very good. I think those kind of things are fun. But the key is for your business, what are you doing to grow, to get outside of what you're doing regularly, and then using AI gives you the ability today to really extend your mind. I like to think of AI. Tell me what you think of this, Gina. AI is really an extension of your brain. It's a way for you to be more creative, to get more done than you would normally do. And you're able to do that now with a power that we just haven't had before. Even with all the great material, all of the great good that we had with video, now we can do even more, I think. What are your thoughts?
Oh, yeah, it's tremendous. Someone was asking me today, do I have a good tutorial on Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin's up and down, and people are talking about it, getting really interested again. You and I have been in it since 2013, a long time. And I said, I really don't have a good referral for a primer, but I recommend that you check out ChatGPT and or Perplexity, because you can find out everything you need to know with resources and other links. You can really take a great deep dive.
Yeah, exactly. By the way, for that Bitcoin intro, I would recommend bitcoin.com. If you go to bitcoin.com, you'll see there's a lot of good there and a lot of quizzes and information. Plus, you can use ChatGPT and Perplexity as a tool to say, tell me about Bitcoin. How do I get started in Bitcoin? What are the dangers of a cryptocurrency and Bitcoin? What are the opportunities? Things like that. Think of each of those as a chat that you have, a conversation with an expert in whatever field it might be. That would be a good way to do it. So that's one thing, but we also have someone else. We're going to walk over here since we're using the portable devices here. Someone that we want to introduce to you now, our new intern, who has actually kind of been an intern for a while, Dylan Carr. Dylan, welcome aboard.
Hey, welcome y'all. My name's Dylan. I'm an upcoming entrepreneur, upcoming business owner, and I'm here with my dog Teddy right here.
There's Teddy right there. Hi, Teddy. How you doing? Teddy gets a little rambunctious at times, but that's okay.
Oh yeah, but yeah, I'm hopefully gonna open a lawn care business coming up here soon. Me and my friend, we got it all started up right now. It's called Little Guys Cleaning Services, and we offer pressure washing and lawn cleaning services right now. And so yeah, it's going pretty good. We got all of our business cards, everything set up, and we're right now just starting out and doing the simple, knocking on the doors, offering our services, and it's going pretty good lately. So yeah.
That's wonderful. Dylan, you're doing a lot with that. And I also notice you're doing a lot of study. You're studying, what are some of the topics that you're studying through ChatGPT and making notes on those?
Well, a lot of entrepreneur notes, a lot of basic school notes. I'm an unschooler, and I study a lot up on entrepreneurship and like astronomy, and it's going really good right now. And I use AI to help me help me study and help me learn on the topics I want to. So it really helps out a lot.
Yeah, I notice also when you tap into this, you're using AI to learn about algebra and about history and about other concepts and tools. Tell me how that works.
So basically, I'll just ask AI. I'll be like, give me a topic I can learn for this, that as a ninth grade unschooler. And it gives me a full thing of topics I can learn. And then I'll ask, okay, great, describe this to me in a way that I can take notes down and study for it. And that's what I've really been using now, and it's working really good.
What would you say to someone who's watching this and thinking, wow, I didn't know you could do that with ChatGPT? Is there anything else we can do with it?
Oh, there's tons of things you can do. So there's ChatGPT plugins you can use to use anything you want. You can create. I created almost my whole business using AI for my imagery, my profile pictures, my logos, my cards, everything. AI is a real big help for everything I'm using.
Yeah, I like what you're saying about using imagery, because we talked about the text to image that we talked about. You and I were showing. I was showing you how to do that with DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 ties in with that through there. Tell us, how are you using that now?
So yeah, DALL-E 3 gives me. I just ask it the. I'll just give it a text like, hey, give me a logo for my lawn care company with, for example, me and my friend, two guys, one pressure washing, one cutting grass, and it'll give me a perfect logo with our. I'll say write my description on it, like my business name, and it gives me a perfect one. Saves me a ton of money. I don't have to hire a designer to probably do what I would do to design it. So it's going really good, and AI has really helped me a lot with my business and what I've been doing lately. So
very good. Well, Dylan, we appreciate you working with us and being here.
Oh, yeah.
And on that, and Teddy, we appreciate you being here. Yeah, Teddy's kind of excited, although it looks like there could be our new mascot, and it could be a squirrel over there. So Teddy's pretty excited about that.
Mm-hmm.
But we wanted to show you some of the things that we're doing right now. Here we are in Woodstock, Georgia, not in Ackworth, Georgia, and we're getting a chance to work with this. You can use your business tools anywhere. We're using a portable machine right here. Use my S24 Ultra from Samsung. Got a nice little tripod. The wireless mic here that we got, which is working out really well, although there's another one right here that we were going to use, but guess what? Somehow the battery went kaput. I think that's the technical term, Gina. Kaput. It went dead, and so we're going to need to charge that. But I've got another one, and we thought that was charged, but guess what will be done tonight? It will be charged.
Yes,
That's right.
In Georgia, we call that plumb near give out.
Plumb near give out. I think that's a good technical term. I like it. All right. Well, Gina, thanks for being with us today. Glad to see you here on Stark Raving Entrepreneurs. And Dylan, good to have you with us.
Thank you for having me on. I really appreciate it. Yeah. I'm glad to be on here on Stark Raving Entrepreneurs to share my story and what I do with AI in my business. So it's been a pleasure.
Wonderful. We're glad to have you here. So we would encourage you to think about ways you can combine your business with lifestyle, exercising, like we're out here walking Teddy, getting a chance to enjoy a nice, beautiful day. Temperature a little bit chilly. I think it's about 75. We call that a little bit chilly from Florida, but we're here in Georgia and enjoying it a lot. And we'll look forward to hearing from you. Find out ways that you can grow your business. You got ways that we can help you out. Let us know. We offer programs to help you with that, and you can get a lot of resources. Go over to starkravingentrepreneurs.com and you'll find out more. I'm Terry Brock, and so long from Woodstock, Georgia.